Kids Storybooks. Subscribe.
A Sunset Snack Fiesta. Once upon a time in the magical land of Munchington, a group of animal friends gathered for their favorite time of the day, snack time. The sun was shining brightly, and a gentle breeze carried the delicious scent of treats through the air. In a cozy burrow, Benny the bunny was busy arranging a variety of snacks on a big leaf. There were crunchy carrot sticks, juicy berries, and even a few honey-dipped nuts. Benny couldn't wait for his friends to join him. Samantha the squirrel scampered down from her treetop home, and Oliver the owl hooted a cheerful greeting as he flew in with a bag of his famous acorn cookies. The friends laughed and chatted as they nibbled on their snacks. Just as they were enjoying the tasty treats, Rusty the raccoon appeared with a surprise, a basket full of rainbow-colored fruit skewers. The friends were delighted and couldn't resist the vibrant display of fruits. As they savored their snacks, the friends shared stories of their day and giggled at funny jokes. They even played a game of musical acorns, where they passed around a bag of acorns while music played, and whoever held the bag when the music stopped got to share a silly joke. The sun began to set, casting a warm glow over Munchington. The friends gathered their leftovers and waved goodbye, promising to meet again for another snack time adventure. And so, in the heart of Munchington, where friendship and delicious treats went hand in paw, the animals enjoyed their snack time, creating sweet memories that would last a lifetime.